Hey, I'm Dr. Laura Koniver. I'm a medical physician and I'm author of the book, The Earth Prescription. And my specialty is conductive health, which is often overlooked, but a very simple way to support the health of your entire body from head to toe. So I am launching a 7-week online class, and I would love to have you join me so that I can directly explain to you what your own physician probably doesn't know. Now, in medical school, we're taught how electrical the body is, and we're taught how to use evaluating the electrical function of the body to diagnose disease and illness. So we can look at an EEG of our brain to diagnose a seizure disorder, or we can look at an EKG of our heartbeat to rule out a heart attack. And your physician definitely knows those things. But what they might not know is that if we focus on supporting our conductive health, we actually put our body in a healing state and provide longevity to the function of our body. And they might not know that, but you will by joining me in this 7-week course. We're going to go organ system by organ system by organ system through all of the medical literature. And there are decades now of gold standard medical studies showing and verifying how grounding to the earth puts our body in a healing state. And we're going to go through each organ system and show that by doing this grounding practice routinely, we're going to really support how our body functions long term. So after we have all 7 weeks compiled, we will have solution after solution after solution. No matter what your health concern was when you started this class, we are going to see how grounding really supports each organ system and all the different ways that we can incorporate grounding depending on your unique health goals. So at the end of this class, you're going to really walk away with a healing practice specific to your health and specific to what your goals are that you can use for the rest of your life. So I'd love to see you there, and I hope you join me.